Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is April Paglinawan. I'm 26 years old and I'm married with two children, aged 9 years old and 4 years old. My height is 161 centimeters. I'm a high school graduate and I'm studied at the TESDA NC2, caregiver and healthcare. I work as a housemaid in Danani in the Philippines. To Mr. and Mrs. Adame, for 3 years and 2 months, there are four members in the family, two adults, two children. I do the household chores like the cleaning the house, washing the clothes, cooking, ironing, marketing, and tutor the children. I take a good care the babies like a changing them, diaper, feed them, and help the bath them. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and have a better living to support my family. I am honest, trustworthy, and obedient and hardworking. I am also willing to learn to how to cook the Chinese food. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you and I'm willing to renew when needed. I hope to see you soon again. Thank you.